violations and are close to it, and almost 2 now for Bama's first 2 possessions. Near walk by the Heels. Shot attempt in the paint, no good by
Grant Nelson. Well defended. Not sure if it got blocked, but it wasn't close.
Tar Heels with it. Davis catch and shoot 3 right of the circle. An absolute brick. Doesn't get it. Gives it off to Omoruyi. Back to Sears on the wing. Driving all the way to the rim. Tough shot. Somehow got it to go off the window.
Yeah, right at the rim.
Kate Tyson is checked in for North Carolina as the Heels go inside with it. Great block.
He shooted a career 40% three-point shooter.
Tremendous player for the Waves. Hoping to do similar for the Tide. Great deflection there by Millette. And then as he went to the deck, he saved the ball to Nelson. Across the way by Powell. He'll bring it all the way back out high, and they'll reset their offense once again. They try to split defenders. Can't. Millette will drive in. Leaves it for the trailer. Diabate missed the layup. Rebound, though, put back up and in by LeBaron Philon. Great hustle by the Tide. They had the arc, then backs it out beyond the three-point stripe. 14 on the shot clock as they work it left of the circle now to Jackson. He'll go down the lane. His runner off the glass. No good. And the rebound controlled by Alabama. Picked up by Nelson after a little scramble for it among teammates. And now the Tide will work it far side to Philon. LeBaron directing traffic. Wanted to play a 2-man game as we got a mismatch. Couldn't get it to Grant. Now it's Reed driving and dishing. They work it around now, the Tide does, to Philon. Great feed inside in the flush for the big fella. Clifford able to throw it home, and before intermission leads it 46-28. Carolina swings it near wing. They'll drive into the lane. They go to the rack. They'll lay it up. They'll miss. The putback is missed. Rebound claimed by Nelson. Credit Clifford Omoruyi for challenging the layup attempts by Trimble, both of them.
Up his teammate Aiden Holloway on the last possession. This time knocks down the floater.
Jackson the drive in the lane. Missed the layup. Again, Omoruyi challenging it away. LeBaron inbounds it to Omoruyi at the elbow. Cliff with a dribble to his left. Picks it up. Great backdoor look. Nelson the layup for 2. And the easy layup for Grant adds to the Bama lead. It's back up to 8. Inside, the Heels will work it. Trying to back their way down. They kick it now onto the wing to Cadeau. They'll drive in. Shot attempt blocked by Omoruyi, out of bounds. Touched last by the man who blocked it, Clifford Omoruyi. He's got at least 2 as R.J. Davis got denied on that attempt. Off to Philon. Swings it over to Stevenson. Jarrett on the drive. Fires it back out to Sears. All alone. 4-3. Halfway down, it popped out. Ball tipped high in the air. Nelson saves it to Sears. Drives in, lays it up, hit the bottom of the rim, but he's fouled. Claimed by Omoruyi. Here comes Bama the other way. Philon in transition to the top of the arc. Between the legs with the dribble. A feed now to Sears. He'll drive into the paint. Bounce pass goes to Nelson. Lays it up and in for 2, and the Tide leads it by a dozen.
Next year, and Drake Powell up over the Bama defenders.
Bama up by 13. Inside, Stevenson throws it down. He threw it down on a defender, and a great feed as well.
It was Grant Nelson with the throwdown.
But it looked just right for us. Heels will drive. They'll miss a layup inside. It was missed by Jackson, and Bama comes the other way. Sears splitting defenders, driving in, handing it off. Omoruyi the dunk. What a feed, Mark Sears, and Omoruyi throws it home, and Bama leads it 63-48, matching their biggest lead of the night.
Alabama getting the stop. Smart play by Houston Millette to get it to Mark.
Reed to inbound it. Gets it in on the wing to Philon. Philon back to Reed. Driving down the left side of the lane. Spin, shoots a tough shot. No good. Tapped into the hands of Reed. Dunk is good. Omoruyi the flush, but it was Houston Millette who hustled to keep that ball alive. Go. Reed spots up, 3-ball, no. Rebound. Omoruyi goes in, would go, but he got fouled. He'll shoot 2 when we come back.
Been yet, and they've got too many good shooters.
Carolina 8 of 10 from the free throw line after the 2 makes by Clifford Omoruyi. Bam.
It's a good look by Mark Sears, just not able to finish. A couple of big guys coming over, forcing a difficult shot.
Davis working off of the screen, being defended by Millette. Shoots a fall away with a hand in his face. That one rattles around, hung on the rim, fell off. Rebound claimed by Holloway. He'll bring it front court, leaves it for Sears. One more, Millette, right side, 3-ball bottom. Houston Millette making his presence known. A pair of bank first 3-pointers for Alabama. It is first Crimson Tide game, and Alabama able to add to its lead. It's an 18-point advantage again.
Darian Reed knocked down his first 3. He's missed 5 straight since. They've all been open, but that one.
And a turnover by the Heels. Here's Philon. The lob, the miss, dunk. on the part of Clifford Omoruyi, but he got fouled. And he'll
bring in the Rutgers star. And we are glad he is wearing crimson and white. And he
over, backing his way down now. Goes to his left, flips up a shot. No, tipped into the hands of Diabate. Shoot, 9, 8. Holloway at 6, right of the circle, 3 ball. And there is your exclamation point. The bank first 3, knocked down by Holloway. 15 points, all of them coming from bank first 3-point range.